Shinran, known as the founder of Shin Buddhism in Japan, talks about Amida Buddha, and yes, this is religion. But I like to point that the discussion I have had about the mind with dualistic view of good and bad, but at the heart is at the core of how we are manifesting the laws of nature. So that paradox is something, as human, we go through some difficulties. And the way to solve by Shinran in Shin Buddhism is just say Amida Buddha, Namo Amida Butsu. Let you to be gone, your mind gone, and replaced by the law of nature manifest. That's simple.